Hey guys, just parked here in Byron Bay and I'm gonna go for a swim. So I'm excited. This is a beautiful part of the world. Byron Bay is a nice place. People are really friendly and people actually come and talk to you. People from all over Australia and some people from all over the world. Been living here for years. So I love coming here and recharging my batteries. Welcome to gorgeous Byron Bay. Hope you have an amazing day. Talk to you later. Bye.